Today I'm going to be checking out this diesel heater here. This one's from TAYHOET. As you can see here, this one is a 9-liter. You can use this for multiple different things. You can use this for heating an outdoor space. Let's say you were out camping, or if you have a work site where you just need to generate a little bit more heat because you're out in the cold working in your garage. You can use it outdoors like that. This can also be mounted inside a rig, a truck, a camper, anything like that. They do have some accessories that you can use for if you're using it like inside your vehicle. You definitely will have to have this exhaust pipe that goes out to get the fumes out of the vehicle, or if you have this inside a shop, you're going to need to have this ventilated out. Here's all the different stuff that you will need to make that happen. Since I'm not mounting this inside a vehicle or directly inside a closed building, I'm going to have the exhaust just go outdoors. I'm not going to need a lot of those accessories. This here is how the control panel looks. Shows here that it's working. Heat flows out on this side. It does have a gauge here that shows you how much fuel level is there. I like the nice handles here. Flip up, make it nice and easy for lifting. They fold down out of the way, obviously where you put your diesel fuel. Okay, it's really starting to heat up now. This should heat up my garage very nicely. Show you what kind of power of wind that it has here. And it actually comes with this pretty cool little remote that you can turn it on, off, increase or decrease the level of heat that you want. And it even slides like that so that you don't accidentally press those buttons. You simply slide that down, press a button, you have it on or off. So if you'd like to work out in your garage when it's cold out and you need a way to keep warm, or if you're just out camping, you have a small shop, this little diesel heater really does the job.